Hello everybody, it's the review dude. I'm here with my Hyosung Aquila GV250. You might have seen that I've had a little bit of an accident. I took off the cover. This is the back cover here. No oil came out. And then I started undoing this part to get to the stator. This part, and boom-bah, oil everywhere. So, possibly might have been wise to maybe drain the oil first for future reference. So yeah. Anyway, so just for those of you who are interested, that's the inside part. Just be careful because this part slid off a little bit for me. And then we'll just go over to the stator so you can have a look. So here is the stator inside that cover. So there's that nice chromy outside cover, and the stator fits in here, and the wires go through there and up through the frame, and there's a bit of a problem getting it out, but I got there. So there you go, that's the stator sitting inside there. These three screws I have to unscrew, those I have to unscrew, pop it off, put in the new one. Actually looks quite clean, so I'm not sure if that is the problem, but I'm gonna change it anyway just to be sure. Okie dokie, bye bye.